Question 11. What's the unit digit of 23 to the power of 14 times x 17 to the power of 12? Okay, so when you see something like this, okay, first of all, we definitely don't need to calculate it. There is a pattern. So we're gonna look for the pattern. 23 to the power of 1 ends with a 3. 23 actually. 23 to the power of 2, something with a 3 times a 3 ends with a 9. 23 to the power of 3, something that ends with a 9 times 3. 9 times 3 ends with a 7. Something that ends with a 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 1. So that ends with a 1. And then we go back, because something that ends with a 1 times 3 is 23 again. Okay, so we know the sequence. It's 3, 9, 7, 1. So what will be 23 to the power of 14? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the table of 4. This is 12. So 13 will be here and 14 will be here. So it ends with a 9. So 23 to the power of 14 will end with a 9. The unit is 9. What about 17 to the power of 12? Okay, 17 to the power of 1 ends with a 1, just 17. Something that ends with a 7 times 7. 17 to the power of 2. 7 times 7 is 9, 49, so that ends with a 9. Something that ends with a 9 times 7 is 3, 63. So that ends with a 3. Something that ends with a 3 times 7 is 21. So that ends with a 1. And then we know when we end with a 1, we're back at 7. 17 to the power of 5 is again something with a 1 times 7 will be a 7 again. So the 5 will be here, 6, 7, 8, 12 is here. So 17 to the power of 12 will end with a 1. So this one is a 1. 17 to the power of 12 is a 1. So something with a unit of 9 times something with a unit of 1 will end with a 9. Really check the sign again. If it was a plus, the answer would be A, but now it's a multiple sign, so it is answer E, 9.